Hey everybody, I'm Jay Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel. You know, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but in the world of content creation, a great infographic is worth 10,000. Whether you're explaining complex physics or just how to brew a perfect cup of joe, getting AI to lay out data visually can be, well, a bit of a nightmare. But today, I'm going to show you how to harness the power of Nano Banana Pro to create stunning educational infographics that actually look professional. We're going to move past simple make me a chart prompts and dive into a specific formula that works every single time. The secret sauce is you can't just wing it. You need to provide structure. I've broken it down into 7 essential ingredients that ensure your output is exactly what you envision. First is the objective. What is the infographic actually showing? Second is the style. Is it flat vector, 3D, hand-drawn, minimalistic, or something else? Third, colors. Don't just say blue. Think about gradients, pastels, or primary schemes. The fourth ingredient is visuals. You want to detail specific icons, characters, or geometric shapes. The fifth is layout. This is huge. Is it a pyramid, an S-curve, a circular flow, or something else? The sixth ingredient is the background. Usually you want to keep it clean so the data pops. And the last ingredient is the target audience. This helps Nano Banana tune in the vibe. From kindergarten to college to adult level, hit your target every time. Example 1, a hierarchical pyramid. Let's start with a classic, Maslow's hierarchy of needs. For this one, we'll want something that feels modern and techy for a high school classroom. Here are the 7 ingredients. Objective, 5-layer pyramid showing the Maslow model. Style, hierarchical pyramid. Colors, dark to light gradient from the base up. Visuals, stylized 3D geometric pyramid with floating text and thin leader lines. Layout, classic base to tip orientation. Background, gray with a subtle geometric pattern. And finally, audience, high school students. Let's take a look at the result. Pretty nice. Example 2, the process model. Next, let's go for something softer. If you're teaching photosynthesis to younger kids, you don't want cold geometry. You want kindergarten teacher vibes. So, here's how I wrote the ingredients for this infographic. Objective, soft, educational explanation of plant food production. Style, friendly, approachable kindergarten teacher vibes with a hand-drawn vector feel, but polished. Colors, soft pastels, mint, peach, lavender. Visuals, rounded shapes, friendly characters, and bubble letters for headers that is approachable and has a kind aesthetic. Layout, horizontal left to right flow with numbered steps. Background, plain pastel with no texture. Audience, middle school students. Here's the result. What do you think? Example 3, a step-by-step manual. What if you're making a how-to guide? Let's look at how to make a cup of coffee. This is perfect for social media or blog posts. The ingredients look like this. Objective, process infographic for coffee brewing. Style, flat 2.0 vector illustration. Colors, bright primary colors. Visuals, 5 distinct steps represented by character illustrations interacting with objects. Layout, S-curve path winding down the page with dotted line connectors. Background, clean white. Audience, independent adults in their 20s. Here's what it produced. I could post this on my socials right now. Example 4, the circular diagram. Finally, for my fellow data nerds, let's create a circular economic flow infographic. This requires precision. Objective, demonstrate the flow of goods and money. Style, circular diagram with a donut chart aesthetic. Colors, bright primary colors for high contrast. Visuals, arrows indicating clockwise movement, icons inside each segment, clean mathematical precision. Layout, central core concept with 6 radial segments. Background, light gray with subtle geometric patterns. Audience, college economics students. Take a look at the result. This looks better than anything I ever saw in college, but that was back in the 80s. As you can see, when you give Nano Banana Pro the right ingredients, the results can be amazing. You can stop being a prompter and start being a director. You can find these 4 example prompts in the description below, and if you create your own infographics, let me know. I'd love to see them. Listen, if you found these prompt formulas helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to keep bringing these deep dives into the world of AI design. I'm Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.